I'm sure that most of you at some point in time have celebrated Cinco de Mayo, and probably with tequila, tacos, and guacamole. But did you know that this day is actually not the official Independence Day of Mexico? Mind-blowing, right? Well, then you need to stay tuned and find out exactly what Cinco de Mayo really is. First of all, let me clarify that Mexico's Independence Day is actually on September the 15th. The grito, the famous cry of independence, is given on the night of the 15th of September, and not, as a lot of advertising companies would have you believe, on the 5th of May. The 5th of May commemorates a failed French invasion. France had a debt with Britain and Spain and therefore tried to invade Mexico in 1861. And the 5th of May commemorates this failed French invasion. Well-armed French troops stormed Veracruz, forcing the Mexican government and its troops to retreat into northern Mexico. Confident of future victories, the French focused all their attempts on Puebla. But anticipating that attack, Mexican President Benito Juárez brought together a group of 2,000 men, many of whom were indigenous Mexicans or of mixed ancestry. And when the French finally attacked on May the 5th, 1862, the battle lasted from daybreak until early evening. And the French ended up retreating, having lost more than 500 soldiers. The Mexicans lost fewer than 100. So why do the Americans have it so wrong? Why do they celebrate Cinco de Mayo? Apparently, Latino activists raised awareness in the 1960s. And specifically, it's seen as an achievement that a group of indigenous people were able to stave off a huge, powerful army. So even though it's not a nationwide holiday here in Mexico, here we gladly welcome you to Puerto Vallarta to celebrate this Latino heritage. Elengorn Realtors will gladly help you celebrate. Just learn what it means. Elengorn Realtors is an independent real estate company here in Puerto Vallarta. I'm Sarah Elengorn, and thank you so much for watching the Elengorn Review.